The British city of Manchester is ready for 3 days of Taekwondo. The iconic The Central hosts the 2014 World Taekwondo Grand Prix Series 3 with over 250 of the world's best descending. No one will be taken for a ride. We'll be putting used to the action as possible, bringing you all of the semi-finals and finals live. This 134-year-old building has taken shape. It's been readied for some world-class Taekwondo stars. Manchester is ready. The doors are open. So come in. This is the Taekwondo Grand Prix 2014 Series 3 in Manchester.
Put your flags up in the sky.
Milica Mandic.
Show the world where you're from. Show me where you're from. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. One love, one life, one world, one fight, whole world.
But Milica Mandic, great to see her, Olympic champion first on the...
Put your flags in the sky and do what you feel. It's your world, my world, our world today. And we invite the whole world to play. It's your world, my world, our world today. And we invite the whole world.
It started off quite well for Lee In-jong.
Invitamos a todo el mundo a jugar con nosotros.
Commit to it and nearly got counted. Ah, there we go.
And the Olympic champion. We wondered who would be the aggressor, and it came out Reshmi Ugin was probably on the front foot from the start. But certainly Milica Mandic showed some real quality at that.
She scored to make it 4-2, I believe. That was excellent timing, taking advantage of a slow attack. Pressured her and just turned that pressure into counter and scored a headshot. Did the exact same there, worked brilliantly for her, and it left her really comfortable for the end of the fight.
Milica Mandic raising a smile that having competed 5 or 6 times today and being rather tired, I suppose you are the winner. If you add that to the size of the quality of that medal, you probably get quite a bit more, but 5,000 to the winners. Silver medalist getting himself $3,000 and both bronze medalists picking up a cool grand, as they say, here in Manchester. So $1,000, a bronze medal, not a bad day's work for Arseny Aydin and In-jong Lee. Reshmi Ugin deserved a little bit more, but the class of Milica Mandic from Serbia showed through. She get well, I'll tell you what, I don't know about you, Ruben, where I bank, they won't accept those checks.
Yeah, no, it's probably a little bit too big, but I'm sure they'll be trying to find somewhere this weekend so they can cash in, seeing they've got the rest of the weekend to maybe spend a little bit of it.
No wonder they give them out now. I can imagine the postage price on that. $5,000 and a gold medal goes to Milica Mandic. Look out for her come Rio 2016.
Yeah, without doubt.